Ka Meghalaya Police Academy Umran ringkat ke jingat relang karibhoy Area Welfare Association haka arpun riotrik jildio kila Rakhe ke International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking ni ka sngi pyrshah drok bat ka jingkhayi be anya u iaka ni ka jing Rakhe la karshan ning bak office u Superintendent of Police Ribhoy District Nongpo but Office Commandant 6th Battalion MLP Umran Kaphang jong ka sngi kalong Naksha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan Viksit Bharat ki pehchan ni Drug Free India campaign The Identity of a Development India. Ha ka jingalang kabalalong ha CFC Hall Umsning ladon lang ukongsan uba Luke Rambai na Kripa Foundation usumbut kongsan Rocky Kala Chairman ka Umsning Town Dorbar ki nohikai ki samla kena school bat kiway. Haka ni kasni layo ya ka jingkran na kakong balakin tiu umba President RAWA pat la punway ka jingalang da ka jinga shimbanta ha ka jingalek kai bo pero ringkat ka kubor ban kyar na udra.
The maximum like we would go to schools would be faith or sports or this or that, but nothing like awareness about AIDS or awareness about drug addiction, alcoholism. We didn't have that, but you guys, you are lucky that you have bodies like these who are taking such a great initiative to prevent, to educate you beforehand, before you step out of those school uniforms and you face the real world out there. Sila don't lupa kata ka, lupa preparation bagi online, but the do's and don'ts, what you need to do, what you need not to do. So I won't take much of your time. I just want to thank you for giving me this opportunity to share, and all the best. May God bless you always. Cheers.